Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful smoked trout dip. This trout dip is light, creamy, and refreshing. It's a great appetizer or even as a spread. The boys and I caught these just the other day. If you want to check out that video, the link's down in the description. The full recipe is also down there, and so are plenty of our other recipes over on our website. Let's get into this. First thing we're going to do is take some of our smoked trout meat. We're going to flake it off into our bowl. Now in with our softened cream cheese, our sour cream, we're going to get this thoroughly combined. Once that's mixed, we're going to add in the rest of our ingredients. Our garlic, our dill, a dash of hot sauce, a little bit of lemon juice to brighten it up. We're going to get this mixed together and we're going to set it in the fridge and let it rest for about 30 minutes and let those flavors really develop. Now you can serve this dip with baguettes, chips, crackers. You can serve it if you want, even on a toasted bagel or something like that. Garnish it with some not sour cream, some green onions and some more dill. Let's get a bite. That's so good. At first you get the creaminess, then the smokiness, and then the trout flavor comes in. It's not super fishy. This is a great dip. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and we have more recipes on our website. Don't forget to tune in later this week for more hunting and fishing content. We'll see you guys later.